Hi traders, welcome to the update. I know it's been a while, but I haven't really had a lot to report. Apart from the last week or so, we've had an error at the automation of the broker, which we need to update. It's now the 30th of July, and we have options expire on the 17th of August, remember, which we'll just go through in a minute. And I'll just update you on the problem with the broker we're having at the moment. So let's have a look at the charts and in the spreadsheet and see where we're at. So we've hit a bit of a cluster here at the moment, but we'll go through from our last update. We're in a few trades here, which we'll have a look at now. Our last update, we were hanging in on this this trade here, which was a short on the 21st of July. Now since then we've had a long trade, and then we've hit a bit of a cluster around that 1100 level again, which has proven to be very sticky this year so far. So we're back to about 35%. Now, depending on which broker that you've used, you could have got yourself into a bit of trouble by no fault of your own. It's a third-party broker who's at fault for having the indicators set up wrongly on their trade station. So if you are one of those the members who we haven't spoke to yet, or you want more information, please email admin@keyequity-hedge. We're currently just seeing if they'll refund the money, since it was their mistake. Otherwise, if you trade this by yourself, you wouldn't have had any dramas, because the sole responsibility is back on yourself, and you execute the trades as you see. So we'll just go have a look at the chart here, and we'll look at this cluster where we're at. So we went into a long trade. And now we've hit a bit of a cluster here around the 1100 level. So our put position, our call position is up there at 1195. We've got till the 18th of August, which is, or 20th of August is expiry. So we've got another 20 days until this expires, and we've got to make sure that this lands below the 1195, and our puts are down there at 905. So we're going okay. We're at the sort of just past the middle of where we want it to land, so we're in a good position at that 1100 level, which is like a magnet, and we're at 35% so far, depending on what happened with the broker, whether you were one of the members that had an error on their behalf or not. So your account could be different. So depending on when you started as well, that sort of plays a part in it. If you've missed that, we've had two really long runs on the future side of things. Just go back and have a look at those, because they're pretty important in the whole scheme of things. We've had a massive short run down there, and then we went straight into a fairly good long. So there's two really good trades that you'd want to have. So they're straight away, they're between 90 and 20 to 90 point moves. So one of them was 60, the next one was 36, the next one was 20. So they're really good solid moves that you need to get in. We had a few here in a row which calculated up to 58 points. So, since the 7th of July, the futures indicators pulled in 143 points. So that's in 19 trades. So it's really important to just stay in the choppy periods which happen. They're hard to take mentally, providing that you're in the trades. There's some good profit there to be taken. So that's where we're at. We're at about 34, 30% minus brokerage. So at the moment we're hitting around the 30% level, 30 to 35. So we'll do another update soon, before expiry at least. Any questions, just email admin@keyequity-hedge. Thanks.